Have you tried Lachcha Paratha Paneer rolls? This recipe makes less oily rolls that reward you with flavor and texture in every bite. Watch how you too can make the Lachcha Paratha, the paneer filling, and finally assemble the roll just like I did. Ready to begin? You want easy, tried and tested recipes? Then do subscribe to my channel. Hello and welcome to my kitchen. I have here 2.5 cups of plain flour or refined flour. I'll add in half a teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of ghee or clarified butter. Mix it well. You could also use whole wheat flour or a mix of both. Add warm water a little at a time and knead a soft, smooth dough, medium soft. Once that comes together, just knead it for about 2 to 3 minutes or until it becomes smooth. That's done. Cover it and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons of thick curd or dahi and put it in a strainer and let it drain for a bit. Put this into a large bowl along with half a teaspoon of coriander powder, dhaniya, 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri Red Chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Chaat Masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Kasuri Methi powder, freshly cracked black pepper, and about 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Mix it all together till well combined. Chopped green chilies according to your taste. Half a teaspoon of grated ginger. Half a teaspoon of grated garlic. Just combine them. Add in 250 grams of paneer that has been cut into large cubes. I'll use a silicone spatula and just toss them up lightly so that they are coated. Rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Slice some onions, capsicum and tomato, 1 large each, and have them ready. Heat a flat pan till it's very hot and then add in the marinated paneer. That's the last one. That is what is left in the bowl, and I'll just add in the onion and capsicum into this bowl and mix to coat with the leftover marination. That's it. Coming back to the paneer, we just need some color on them, and that is why the high heat. Just toss and turn lightly. If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up. Send me your feedback when you try it. After some vigorous tossing, this is how they look. You could just do it with a spatula. No need for all that exciting stuff if you're not confident. I'll take them out. That's done. Now for the onion and capsicum. Toss them up on high heat for a couple of minutes. Season with a bit of salt. Once the onions turn a light pink, add in the tomatoes and just toss them up a few times. That's done. Turn off the heat and take them out. Knead the dough one more time and then divide it into balls, say 6 or 5. That's done. I'll take one, just cover the rest, use a bit of flour and roll it out as thinly as you can. Brush it with ghee or vegetable oil Sprinkle with a bit of maida or plain flour. We are going to make a lachha paratha, and hence the fan fold. Lift and fold backwards. Lift and fold backwards. That's how you go right to the end. Then stretch it lightly and start rolling from one end into a circle. Stretch the very end and tuck it under, pinch it to secure. That's one done. Similarly, just make the rest of them. And then roll them out with a little dusting of flour. Keep the pressure light. Cook the parathas on a hot tawa, turning them from side to side. Brush with oil or ghee or butter. And that's done. Cook the rest of them. Butter paper or plain paper for wrapping the roll. Some sliced onion that I had soaked in chilled water and drained. Chopped fresh coriander and lemon. I'll also be using some eggless mayo. I'll just figure out which is the side with the most layers, and I'll leave it on the outer side. This is going to be the inner part. Some eggless mayo to begin with. You could also use hung curd in its place. And just spread it out a bit. Next, the onion, tomato and capsicum. Next, the paneer. Fit in as many as you can. Some fresh onions. Black salt. Chopped coriander. Squeeze of lime or lemon. That's ready to be packed up. I'll use a sheet that is almost as big as the paratha itself. Just start rolling it up from one end. Keep it a tight roll. Place the sheet till halfway of the roll and wrap it around the end. Just squeeze it in like so, and that's one roll done. Similarly, just make the rest of them. Serve the paneer rolls hot or warm with green chilies and lemon on the side, and enjoy.